Good morning. It is 6:45. I'm heading over to Conservation Park today to go hang out with Jen and Emily from Above the Standard and walk a bunch of their dogs and then Nalu. So I'm going to take you guys along for the day. I was going to do a week of sunsets this week and then it was stormy. Like, it's storming right now, but we think the weather should pass. So this could be a really rainy walk. It could be just a wet walk. I don't know. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us. I'm also gonna film a Tikmet UGC video while we're there. So I don't know. I just thought I need a vlog for this week, so take y'all for a walk with us. Okay. You can eat. Good girl. Naturally, I'm here early because I am usually early due to OCD, but I did grab a coffee at Dunkin' and a donut. I already ate the donut while driving, so I'm going to drink my coffee while I wait because I need some energy. And then I have to submit a script for a video that I'm doing partnered with Global at Global and submit that to them by tomorrow. So I'm going to sit here and work on that script and hopefully email it over to them before we go on our walk. So we came home. Nalu obviously got covered in mud, as y'all saw here in the vlog. So I bathed her, filmed our veterinary formula ad that I have due at the beginning of Global, and now I'm gonna take her home, go take Sebastian out really quick, and then drive to Navarre with Alex for some of his real estate stuff. and then we're gonna come back, hang out with the dogs. I'm probably gonna edit content on the way to Navarre because I have some stuff due for a real estate social media management client that I have. I want to edit the video that I took of today's walk. I have 2 Tikmet videos due this weekend that I filmed today on the walk, so I'm just gonna edit while he drives because it's 2 hours there, 2 hours back. So let's go. So I've never been to Navarre, but Alex comes out here all the time because he has listings out here. And so he's showing me all his favorite spots and literally pulled over and parked so that I could show you guys the water here and the beach here. And I was like, I don't want to get your car all sandy because they don't have a place to rinse off my feet. He was like, no, just go do it for the content. So I'll show you guys the beach here.